Hi guys, so today we're breaking this car apart, and essentially we are. I'm Mum's bedroom, like we're gonna break this car apart, okay? Because no, I'm not shooting. Let's get onto it. Anyway, everything's doing well, and yeah. So good car, very good back suspension for supercar. Look, that's so good. Man, it's very slow turning. But yeah, apart from that, yeah, it goes really good. So let's see. Just double A's or no double A's. Depends. You never know what batteries these cars have. So I'm going to school right now. Oh no. Why's this not going undone? It should be undone. Oh. Guys, we're getting a screwdriver. Now, I really think, because that one does not work at all. So what screwdriver should we get? Let me just get one, yeah. It's really cool, look. Really good. Very good wheels.
What else would you like to do today? What else?
New screwdriver that does work. Make something a little bigger. You should just try enormous when it works. How big this is. If I go back, you can barely see it. Now you can see it, yeah. So let's see if this can actually unscrew. Perfect, this one works. Look, I'm unscrewing it, let's see. Down in the comments which one you think. Is it Judge Barry or Normal Barry? Guys, if you want, what car do you want me to buy and then I'll use in the video? Do you want it to be fast one, slow one, let's take berries. Wow, let's take a chargeable berry. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. So now we've got a challenge, okay? I don't want to pull this all apart, okay? We're going to find out. Before you always do this stuff, you have to check. Okay, perfect. Let's see the secrets about this car, and then I'm going to do part 2, where this car, see what is in, what if the car can work or not. If we can work, guys, if I just find the right remote, yeah, we could have fun. And maybe I can find a remote for you. You never know, maybe I can all want to fly. Guys, maybe after this video, search up what car is this, and you can have some, we should see if it's like worth anything. So that would be really great. So now we'll keep continuing doing more. This car was very popular in their days. See how fast it goes. I would like to know that, see how fast it goes. Could go like 1,000,000 miles. Oh, never know. So we're gonna unscrew all these. Not many screws. I do this shop sometimes to see what's like inside. Not many screws. If you like these videos, put that down below because I'll do more of these videos if you want me to. Oh, perfect, done. One screw out, we got another couple to go. Let's finish up this one because one of my there was one that went it was really hard to take apart, like had like a million screws, like I did that. Oh no, I haven't done that. What did I just do? I just did that one, yeah. So I was actually screwing it, but it wasn't. So has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 berries. Wait, yeah, 5. Yep, 5. Yeah. Pretty good turning, honest opinion. If this car actually goes, so it's unscrewing it. I'll try and take it as quick as possible. So it's really cool. Look, we've all got 2 screws out. Oh no, I'll see what's in this part. See this part? This big. I think there could be a motor. Remember, this car's very old, only like 50 years old. It depends, like, it's a pretty cool car. Honest opinion, it's pretty cool. Very hard to. Oh, perfect. I nearly finished actually. So, see if it didn't come out soon. Okay. Oh, perfect, yeah. Oh, screwdrivers. Screws can connect the screws because they're like a magnet. So, yeah, let me start getting back off a little bit. Oh, wow. These cars were manufactured pretty good, actually. Oh, trying to see what's in this car. Is there one guy? 2 more screws left and we're nearly done. No, need 2 more screws. I think the car's gonna have the world's slowest turning. How's this so hard, this one? Oh, perfect. The front ones are kind of hard. Actually. But if you're a subscriber, when you make up to 500 subscribers, I'll do a little giveaway on RC car. We're done. We took all the screws out, did we? Yep, looks like we did. Oh, yep, done. Oh wow, it's very hard to. What a cool part, like. Yeah. We did. Wait, oh my god, look. Has a little motor in the back, not the front. Did we miss anything at the front? No. All screws in. So old, though, it's so hard to like take out. God, it's specifically actually because. Oh. Just give me a minute. Guys, I can't pull out, but I'm going to show you what I did. So it's actually really hard. I haven't got all of us to do it. It's like, it doesn't need to work because it's very, oh, yeah. I found it works at the front. So you can like damage it, like it can damage your whole car. If I pull the whole thing out, I think. Yeah, so this is what I can show you. So here, I'll try to scroll in a little bit. So this is what I can show you only this. Pretty cool, by the way. Cool. Look, it has a little fan at the back. And yeah. So I'm gonna put it all back in. And guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 where this car will actually, I'm going to, has very good suspension. Look, awesome suspension. Hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. Please, that'd be awesome. To my next giveaway when we make up to 500 subscribers. Come on, to our first ever giveaway. So, bye.